Now let's see present perfect. Present perfect indicates a past action with relevance to the present or a past action with an specified time. Example, they visited Paris several times. They have visited Paris several times. You see, there's still a connection between the past actions and the actions of as of now. How do we form this present perfect? So to form present perfect, you need to have subject plus have plus has or past participle of the main verb. So in our example, the past participle of the main verb is visited. The main verb is to visit. Now visited is the main verb, the past participle of the main verb, which is visit.